In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable one-handed mode on the Samsung Galaxy A05. Start by opening the Settings app, and from here, scroll and select the option Advanced Features. Next, tap on one-handed mode, and then you should see the toggle at the top. Simply tap on it to enable this feature. From here, you have two methods you can use to enter one-handed mode. You have the gesture and you have the button. As you can see, mine is currently set to a gesture. So whenever I wish to enter one-handed mode, I would simply swipe down on the home screen button like so. And you'll notice my device has now entered one-handed mode. So now I can just simply use one hand to browse through. I can even play games if I wish to, all in one-handed mode. Alternatively, if you wish to exit one-handed mode, then it's the same thing. On that home screen button, swipe down and you'll notice your screen enlarging. If you've chosen the option Get Button, like that, then double tap on the home screen button and you'll notice your screen shrinking. To exit one-handed mode, double tap on the same button and your screen will return back to normal. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.